So we're headed to St. Elizabeth right now. Go to this place called Camp Irie. It better be lit. Because if I'm going to spend all that money, it better be lit. Takes on it. It better be lit? Mm-hmm. Zian, it better be lit?
What the hell?
What the hell? Okay, this is luscious green vegetation. So right here is the view. This is the view right here.
We paid $200 for a ride. Are you making yourself? Somebody. Bye. Oh, online. I think somebody just swoop it up. No. You're good.
Alright. Take on the road. So just rev that.
Just rev it?
Yeah. No, the other way. Boom. Take your road, more. Mine not crash. Mine not crash. Come over this side here. Look like a prisoner. The view is magnificent. So we've arrived. Camp Irie. Camp Irie, Jessica. Going into the welcome center to pay the money. Smells good.
No.
So we will climb this without protection. Bust it or something. No sponge on the bottom. Me not do it.
I mean, you got this shit
Sturdy. So they said we should do the bikes first because they're ready. I'm gonna teach these kids.
Not ready.
Teach these kids how to rev. Yeah, we wanted to do the bikes last. We wanted to do the bikes last, yeah.
Save the best for last.
Yeah, dog. So much. Yeah, why you look so nerdy?
I'm the first.
Nerdy.
Because I'm a nerd.
A nerd. So Zian, you're taking the blue? That's a new one, yo. I'm taking the blue, she's taking the red. Picture! Vika! Dziewczyna przed mnie tak wciąż. Are you slow, so king? Slow? It's only us. I think the rest of them are not haven't mastered how to use it yet. Yes, so it's just three of us right now. Going through the jungle right now. Huh? Cornell? Vika! Zian is too slow. Onesa wolna! We'll overtake it. We'll overtake it so we can go get somebody out. The entire time I wanted to go in front of Zian because she's just cowardly. So right now we're going to the river. There's a river like 5 minutes away.
I'm a good driver, no?
Yeah. You handle yourself well. I'm proud of you. Sylvia will be proud too. But Zian, I'm not proud of you. You need some work. You need some work. How you drive car? No. This is basically a car. It has 4 wheels. Okay, and then here we have the beach. You could. Wow. Beach. We're on Iceland? Huh? Billy Gross Beach. So we're taking some breaks. Oh, look down there. Huh? Yeah. Put your foot in it. Hmm? You can put your foot in it. Oh! It's like Iceland. Ah, it's alright. But like an early morning shower here would be top. So we're playing Jenga while we wait for our next adventure. Now we're going to play laser tag. This one has hiccups. This one just cold. Hiccup.
Need some water.
Yeah. Hey. I'm waiting for the hiccup.
What happened?
Is that war ground? Now we're gonna shoot up each other here. This is the battleground. Battleground. James Bond 007. GoldenEye. Hiccup gone.
Alright.
Rules. Getting our weapons now. Red? I want the blue. Please give me the blue. What color you want, Jan?
It doesn't matter.
It matters.
Alright, me.
Sure, can I manage your gun? Ah, you're blue. Avengers. Listen. Okay, this way. So we're in the same
That
team.
they're not shooting with.
She's not on our team, so I'm gonna shoot her up. Dying. I'm gonna bust my gun. No. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Alright. Thanks. Okay, so red team, we're going to the back, starting at the back. Blue team there. Ah, she's on my team. I'm mad. I wanted to shoot her. Destroy her.
Get set!
Someone's camping behind the building there.
Yeah? DJ, where?
By the life machine.
Alright, kill it! I'm tired, I need a breather. Oh.
I hide.
Coming on, I'm more shocked. Kill him! She dead! We got three of us hiding behind you. I got shot. That was the last round. Hopefully we won.
After laser tag, top shooter 3 times in a row.
But I fell. The
First
10 seconds I fell. Look at me. It
Oh,
hurts. When you get shot, it shocks you. I don't like that. I was scared to get shot. We're about to take the train. We're too tired to ride that, so we're going to take the train. What's your ticket, miss? Do you have your ticket? Your bus pass? Billet? Oh, she got burnt. Look at her, she's red. She got burnt.
It hurts.
It hurts.
It burns.
Her skin is too soft. I like seeing the houses on